out here on what's either Willard Street or Jackie Robinson Drive, because the sign right over there says Jackie Robinson Drive, but there's a map over there that says this is Willard Street. But as you can see, you got another pair of band WRS cantilevers here. So let's take a look at this first one. These are in slightly worse condition than the other one, but slightly better too. As you can see, this has a union metal base as expected. Right up here is the remaining WRS 8-inch light on it. As you can see right there, it's WRS. No bell on this signal. It looks like there had once been something plugged into the top there. They'd use this as like some kind of lighting, but they still got the old, but you can see where something was up there once. I'm guessing either a cap or bell, if that'll focus. And as you can see, the overhead lights are completely gone. So here's just a quick look. North, by the way, just kind of along where the tracks used to run. Then as I hop over here, we'll be able to take a look at the other signal and then the relay case, which seems to be, and you can probably see why this signal at least certainly survived, because coming over here you can get a look. You can get a look over here. As you can see, where the overhead lights used to be mounted, there's now a sign, the lane control sign, so yeah, that's probably why this signal will probably survive for a while longer, at the very least. But over here, we got another union metal base down here. Then we got a pair of WRS 8-inch lights on the mast. As you can see up there, it says WRS. And of course, like I said, no overhead lights, just a sign up there, and a missing bell or cap where that would have been. And of course, that way's looking south towards the other crossing. As you can see, nothing. So it's nice to see these two signals survive, especially since these tracks are obviously long gone. Right here's the relay case, which still survives. It's got a Rayco manual control box on the side. That is frozen in place. I wouldn't expect to be able to open that anytime soon. Oh, no. Yeah, you can see right there's little terminal up there, but don't see any kind of like dot tags or anything on these signals. Unfortunately, here we have a Rayco lock, no railroad branding on it. I probably know this could be an old Southern Railway line, or like I said, it might be an old SAL line for all I know. So yeah, just thought I'd show y'all this. I'm gonna wait for this bus to pass, but yeah, just thought I'd show y'all these two abandoned crossings right here in downtown Durham. Got a few others on a bit further north of here that I want to go check out as well. But for now, I'm just gonna show off these two signals. Over and out.